2-year warranty, fully automatic onboard 1.5 amp maintainer. Charger, charge up to 5 batteries at once. Inlcudes X5 Alligator clamps plus X5 Eyelet terminals. Designed to maintain 6V and 12V batteries. Powers on when needed. Powers off when battery is fully charged or topped off. Charger maintainer. Input voltage 105 to 125 VAC 60 Hz. Output voltage 12 V6 VDC. Charging current 1.5 amp. Charging, boosting all 6 V12V lead acid batteries and maintain 5 charging ports, 2 USB ports, overcharge and short circuit protection, LED power and charging indicators. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.